The go-to girl, the Ultra Fast Bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
And this is a nice thing that we're seeing. Nakikita natin si Eliza Valdez, who we know is the go-to player for Team Pilipinas, has not been showing up these past couple of minutes. Pero ito naman, pinupuno naman ng ibang mga teammates niya yung kailangan natin sa offense.
Maraño Dakis protecting the net. They did so for Petron. And that attack not over. Puntos para sa Pilipinas. Apat ating naman.
Again, Philippines easily taking that first set 25-15. Not so much the story in this second set, although we still have the lead. Kita natin, nag-adjust rin ang depensa natin ng bahagya. Hindi na tayo masyadong nahanap ng butas.
That service brought to you by Smart Live More. Pagkakataon para sa Pilipinas. Valdez from the back row. Good coverage by Malaysia.
Nice up there by Denden Lazaro.
That attack I don't think was over. And Malaysia will score. I'll take a look at it again. See if it was a block. Yes, it was a block. Brought to you by Smart Live More.
At tumama pa sa ulo ni Jaja, no? Alam mo, kung pumasok sana yon, kasi every part of your body you can use now in volleyball. Sipain mo, you can head it, you can knee it, use your chest, basta pumasok.
Abby Maraño committing an error. Stepped, I think, on the line or touched the net. And then the net is live.
And Malaysia is just gaining on us. Just a 2-point advantage for the Philippines here in the second set. Both teams coming off losses after day one of competition in volleyball here in the SEA Games. Yun naman!
The smiling assassin strikes again.
Yan ang gusto natin makita na si Morales from Gia Morado. Of course, when you least expect it, expect it.
And then she strikes and then she smiles. Kasi huli ka.
That's right. And now Malaysia knows she is an offensive threat. And that's something that is really of concern for them. Dahil alam natin, malalakas yung ating mga open hitters. Pero ngayon, nagmamagic din pala. Nalaman na nila, nagmamagic din ang ating setter, si Gia Morado.
Rachel Landakis to serve. Brought to you by Smart Live More. The push doesn't work. And that time, going out of bounds, Pilipinas on the board as we take the lead, heading into the second technical timeout, 16-12. Just a 4-point lead para sa Team Pilipinas, 16-12. Dito sa set number 2, Jovelyn Gonzaga, Rachel Landakis, Jaja Santiago, giving us more offensive weapons. Pero ito naman komponen ng Malaysia. Sa likod ng kanilang team captain, si Be Shunting, si Kok Si Teng, Winnie Lim Wingyi earlier in set number 1. They're showing some fight also dito sa set number 2.
Props to Gia Morado, particularly in the second set. Now we saw her that last outing, that drop. And she has just been very smart distributing the ball to everybody. Nice offensive block. Abby Maraño there, combined with Liza Valdez.
And beast mode has been unleashed. Abby Maraño telling the opposition, meet me at the top and don't be late. The block brought to you by Smart Live More.
Yan na, nafe-feel na natin nafe-feel na natin yung energy emanating from the six there. Grabe talaga, no? Pagka, I think really the momentum is on their side. 17-12, the Philippines pulling away here now, late in the second set.
Over receive. Pagkakataon ulit para sa Malaysia. Huli sa taas, but goes out of bounds.
That's okay, we saw the effort there. And again, yung sipag ni Gia Morado, no, we've been talking about her all games so far, and I think just rightfully so because she has really been playing excellently for the Philippines. And for you to be efficient even at the front, no, yun na nga, we see her blocking, we see her going up for her dings and her drops, and really finding the player who is working, who is on. In the second set, si Gonzaga ang pinupuntahan niya.
Eliza Valdez!
Ayun, pwede na rin si Eliza Valdez. I think she's found her mojo.
Sabi ni Eliza, how quickly they forget.
Yan.
And she puts it down. And Eliza Valdez rising and finishing with the Ultra Fast Bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Of course, we know that Eliza Valdez is the type of player that you can count on even from the back row. Pero syempre, mas maiga naman when she's there in the opposite. Na talagang dun sa zone 4 is her favorite area.
And I'm sure all the volleyball fans in the Philippines, kinikilig, nakikitang teammates ngayon, yung Abby Maraño, tsaka yung Eliza Valdez.
Naku, alam mo si Eliza, nakausap ko yan before she left. Siya mismo, that's the word she used. Kilig na kilig siya na nakakalaro niya yung mga idol niya.
Back in a moment.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and text, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
And Malaysia wanting to talk things over dito sa ating second set. They are trailing Team Pilipinas, getting production from all around, from everyone.
Nakikita natin the Philippines getting more chances to set up for their offensive plays, which is what we want because we know that we are a stronger offensive team compared to Malaysia. Malaysia, like we mentioned, doesn't have much of a history here in volleyball. They got beaten straight sets against Vietnam yesterday, although the Philippines also coming from a loss in 3 sets against Indonesia yesterday. For those of you just joining us now, this is set number 2 in day 2 of volleyball action sa SEA Games. Naman po tayo 1 set. Nanalo tayo 25-15 against Malaysia.
And that service by Abby Maraño brought to you by Smart Live More. Valdez, drop ball, doesn't fall. Off speed para sa Malaysia. Quick play for Jaja Santiago.
Talaga
Abby
naman.
Maraño mo ako.
Alam mo, something happens to them. Sabi mo talaga to si Abby Maraño when she's on the court.
And the ultra fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. When you're 6'5", you can rise and finish over everyone.
But you gotta have the goods, no? Not just the height. You really know what you need to be doing. At such a young age, so much maturity si Jaja Santiago. Of course, we're talking about Abby Maraño being the spark plug. You can feel it. You can feel the electricity from where we're sitting.
Oh, Valdez gets blocked. That's a defensive play para di sa Malaysia, and the block brought to you by Smart Live More.
Knowing Eliza Valdez, that just buoys her even more. Pag nakikita siyang nabablock na ganyan, mas lalo siyang na-challenge. And alam natin ang tiwala ni Gia Morado din kay Eliza, no? Bibigyan at bibigyan pa rin niya yan.
Double block na sila dito kay
Ayun
Eliza
na!
Valdez.
Ayun! Bumawi
Play.
agad! Just as we called it, James, no? Hindi magpapaisa. 21-14. Nice 7-point lead for the Philippines.
Mike Ortiz coming in, yung spike kanina ni Eliza Valdez, brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
And another UST veteran on the court here now, Micah Ortiz, stepping in for the first time here in this game.
Malaysia combination play, attack doesn't... Oh, that one goes out of bounds. Puntos para sa Malaysia.
21-15. As Coach Roger Gorayev said, napakalalim ng bench ng Pilipinas. Sabi niya, at any given point, pwedeng i-substitute any of the girls that he has on his bench. It has been a very formidable 12, and we see him doing that now, which is a good thing. No? Makakapagpahinga sila to be more efficient. Lalo na yung mga front row players who keep having to get up for the blocks. It's nice to be able to rotate the others in para merong konting pahinga.
Sharp service received well by Lazaro. Valdez couldn't score.
Ay, nako, sayang yun for Malaysia. Let's see if the Philippines capitalizes on that mistake. Bumawi naman, single block. Napaka-efficient naman itong number 6, Mei Ching Lo. We were talking about her earlier.
And that block brought to you by Smart Live More.
The most, this is the star player of Malaysia. Only 19 years old. Tall player.
Kok Si Teng with the service.
Nice coverage by Malaysia. Hindi rin sila nagpapa-isa pagdating sa depensa.
Valdez!
That's 2 in a row for Eliza. She was the top scorer after yesterday's game against Indonesia.
And Eliza Valdez, ultra fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
What a wind-up. Textbook approach talaga.
And we have more action in just a moment. Looking to talk things over, lumalayo ang Team Pilipinas dito sa set number 2. They were showing some fight. Yung kanilang blocks from Mei Ching Lo, yung mga atake ni Beshun Ting, the setting of course of Kok Si Teng. Kaso agad-agad sumasagot yung atin namang franchise player na si Eliza Valdez, sina Rachel Landakis, Jovelyn Gonzaga, of course the captain, then Lazaro doing an excellent job. Well, everyone performing well para di sa Team Pilipinas as we prepare to serve it up. And here we go.
Great coverage there by Dendan Lazaro. So dependable as libero.
The Iron Eagle, she is called. Dakis winds it up.
Making do with that bump set, no? And 23-16, eto na, naamoy na ng Pilipinas ang pangalawang panalo dito sa sa set, dito sa game against Malaysia. Alam mo, problema din ng Malaysia, not so much in that sequence, no? Pero marami silang mga sinasayang na opportunities. So this is, they pretty much dug themselves into their own graves in the second set. A lot of unforced errors coming from Malaysia. Sayang yung mga offensive blocks na pinapakita ni Lo, yung mga puntos na nakukuha nila that they work hard for because marami din silang mga errors.
Mei Ching Lo serves it up. Serves up Valdez that time. Kasi Dakis sa atake, down the line, but I think went out of bounds.
Okay, this time the unforced error coming from our girls. Still, we're 2 points away from winning this second set and another timeout call.
And more action when we come back. The Philippines looking to run away with it dito sa ating pangalawang set. Tayo kontra sa Malaysia and Coach Roger Correa mixing and matching the personnel on the floor.
And that was a very timely timeout that he called because we gave away 2 points just like that. No? Parang walang nangyari doon. And we're at the brink already of winning the second set. So we wanted to break that a little bit and see if we can regroup. We're looking for the Philippines to finish it off here now to score 2 more points. Para sa mga ngayon lang nanunood at nag-i-enjoy ng volleyball, madami dyan, I'm sure, because of the draw of these girls, no? You can score off of the mistakes of your opponent, eh. So magkamali lang ang Malaysia, pwede na tayong manalo. Gaya nun, ano? Because of that service error.
And we are at set point in set number 2. Mike Ortiz with the service brought to you by Smart Live More. Back set.
Yun! Muntikan tayo doon. Great coverage there by Gia Morado.
And a good read para sa Team Pilipinas as we take a 2-0 lead kontra dito sa Malaysia. Set number 3 coming up dito sa SEA Games on Sports 5.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games